Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're exploring the beautiful blend of rustic charm and elegant style with some stunning home decor ideas. If you're looking to create a cozy yet sophisticated space, you're in the right place. Let's jump right in. First, let's define what rustic elegance means. It's all about combining the warmth of rustic elements, like wood and stone, with elegant touches such as fine fabrics and sophisticated color palettes. The result, a home that feels both inviting and refined. Think of it as a balance between the ruggedness of nature and the sophistication of modern design. Next, let's talk colors. A rustic elegance palette typically features warm neutrals, soft earth tones, and muted shades. Consider using whites, grays, taupes, and deep greens. These colors can create a serene backdrop for your decor. Accent these with pops of richer colors like burgundy or navy for a more dramatic effect. When it comes to furniture, look for pieces that showcase natural materials. Think reclaimed wood tables, plush upholstered chairs, and vintage-inspired cabinets. Mixing and matching textures can add depth and interest to your space. Don't forget to include a statement piece like a stunning chandelier or a beautiful coffee table to anchor the room. Textiles play a huge role in achieving that rustic elegance look. Use soft, luxurious fabrics like linen, velvet, and wool for throw pillows, blankets, and curtains. Layering these materials adds warmth and comfort to your home. Accessorize with items like woven baskets, vintage books, and ceramic pottery to bring in that rustic feel. Bringing the outdoors in is essential for rustic elegance. Incorporate natural elements like plants, wood accents, and stone features. A large indoor plant or a collection of succulents can add life to any room. Even small touches like a wooden bowl or a stone centerpiece can enhance the rustic vibe while keeping it elegant. And there you have it, our top rustic elegance home decor ideas. By blending the charm of rustic design with sophisticated elements, you can create a space that feels both cozy and classy. If you love these tips, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more home decor inspiration. Share your own rustic elegance ideas in the comments below. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.